Toy Story Celebration Train and RC Car, set number 43264. Commence Star Command. Oh, I have yet to have this. Oh. I do like that it came with 4 books so that 4 different people could build this set if they wanted. So cute. So cute. This is done. Just started bag 3. Bo Peep is my least favorite character, but this minifigure is pretty cool. Just their head popping off, no big deal. So this is the current state of my shelves, kind of getting cluttery looking. There's some sets tucked back here that you can't even see. So I got some acrylic shelving that just came in, and we're gonna fix that real quick. It is actually maybe a week after I've taken all those videos, and this is what the shelving looks like. Obviously still a little bit cluttery, but that's the set that I just finished in that video. Well, not these characters, but I feel like we have to start a city to get rid of some of the just clutter.